Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and today I'll talk about one such company where the management tried their best to revive the brand name. They in fact gave the company an entirely new identity. Still something seems wrong. Yep, I'm talking about Vodafone Idea Limited, also known as V. Is it worth investing in? Business introduction. Vodafone Idea is one of India's largest telecom service provider. The company is in the business of providing mobile and long distance services as well as trading handsets and data cards. Vodafone Idea Limited is a joint venture between Aditya Birla Group and the Vodafone Group. Vodafone Group holds 44% and Aditya Birla Groups hold 27%. With a pan-India presence, Vodafone Idea is one of leading telecom operators in the country, offering voice, data, enterprise and other value-added services in 22 service zones. As of December 2021, the company had a customer base of mobile subscribers of 26.9 crores and wireless broadband service of 12.24 crores, and the counts are reducing. Financial analysis. Vodafone Idea's financials are not promising enough. It is like a dying man on a life support. But by the end of this video, you will know where the life support is coming from. Yes, a big change is happening in Vodafone Idea. Financially speaking, the balance sheet is a mess. Vodafone Idea deferred payment obligation, the reason for all the fuss, is at 1.5 lakh crores out of the total assets of 2 lakh crore. Forget about the ability to service debt. Here we are not sure if the company be able to pay even the interest part. The company has a cash position of 240 crores. Going forward, the adequacy of available fund to meet debt obligations remains to be seen. Vodafone has to raise further capital to stay afloat, or something has to be done to the debts in its books. The company has been earning steady revenue with around 35 to 40% of operating margin. There is still a bit of hope if the company stops losing its customer base and concentrates on a certain segment of the population, have grip over the customer and gain confidence. Technical analysis. Technically speaking, today's crash says it all. When a company has excess free float equity, especially in weak hands such as retail investors, such a correction will be a norm. Vodafone Idea traded today with hefty volumes. Both RSI and MFI, that is money flow index, suggest that the company is in a bearish trend. Although the bottom of the Bollinger Band is breached, following the trend suggests that the stock may go much lower. Conclusion. India's telecom market is too huge for a duopoly. Also, the Indian market may not let Vodafone Idea die too soon. We'll for sure have Vodafone as the third player, but to what extent this company can make investors money is something we have to wait and watch. And today's news come at a shock. It is said that Vodafone board has approved a bailout plan wherein all of its telecom dues will be converted into equity shares and the Indian government will be the largest shareholder with shares at 36% of holdings. A major source of concern is that the company has failed to attract new investors even after the official announcements. Overall, I'll give a 5 out of 10 ratings because at this point it's more of a 50-50 chance in regards to efficiency and growth, and the company is not on my watch list. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.